A very good morning to you all. This is Doug Campbell with Right Way Options and your morning market preparation video for July 19th, 2017. Well, my goodness, those bulls really showed some strength yesterday. We had a little bit of scare first off in the morning where we had a really quick move lower. And it looked for a moment like the Bears were taking control, but the Bulls stepped up, really put in a line of defense, and pushed back hard. Really, the rest of the day, the Bulls were present, pushing. And that allowed the Diamonds to draw this hammer candle pattern right here at price support. Now, remember, a hammer candle always requires a follow through. So we need to see that follow through before we make any or take action in an actual trade on the diamonds. We need that follow through to prove that that hammer is valid. Now this morning we've got futures currently just slightly flat. I mean, they're a little bit lower, but there's still a lot of news to come out. And that news, let's see, we've got housing starts, and housing starts is a pretty big number for the market, showing it adds to or shows the strength of the economy if folks are out there buying houses. In the last couple reports, the housing starts were kind of unexpectedly low, lower than everyone was thinking that they would be. This month, the forecasters are expecting a pretty sizable rebound in that housing start. So watch that report at 8:30. It could affect the overall market if that were to come in weak, or if it comes in stronger than expected. Obviously that can move the market around. At 10:30 a.m. Eastern Time, we have the EIA Petroleum Status Report, and that one for the last couple of years has been really heavily watched by traders and the market itself, because oil has been this as the supplies build, oil continues its slide. And that is obviously affecting the market. If we want the market to stay strong, if we want the market to come back up, we need to see those supply numbers continue to diminish. And they have for the last several reports. They have been going in the right direction for us. Supply numbers coming down. But that really hasn't bolstered the oil numbers all that much yet. We need to see that continue with reductions in supply to start holding those oil index numbers, the oil suppliers, the oil producers, the folks like that. We need to see those companies start to hold up a little bit, and that will help sustain this market as well. So let's hope that EIA number comes in showing a reduction in supply today. Other than that, we have 81 companies reporting earnings today, like AA, AXP, Qualcomm. The majority of the earnings today are surprisingly after the close. There's a few before the open, but none that I would really see as big market moving reports. So the majority of the things are going to come after the market close today. You'll want to keep an eye on those as you move forward with your trade and trade planning for today. Remember, I believe preparation is really the most important part of your day. If you're prepared for the market, if you are aware of the surroundings and everything that's going on, you can better insulate yourself against the emotion and the drama and everything that's created in the morning open. The news, CNBC, and all these folks, they bring in this drama that affects us and creates a bias. And if we can avoid that by just doing some diligent preparation, we can avoid that and be more more disciplined in how we approach the market. And that's why I produce this every single day, because this is extremely important to me. And I hope it's helpful to you to learn to maintain that discipline and focus on the price action and not on the drama that's being developed around earnings season or any other news reports. So stay focused on that price action and you'll do much better in your trading. So as you can see, the diamonds held up well. Now it's going to be really important that the diamonds continue to hold up well. And we have that little sign of just a tiny little bit of weakness this morning on where it might open. If we take a look at the SPY did an incredible job yesterday. The bulls pushing really right up into the close. And we closed at a new record closing high for the SPY. So once again, new records being made. And this is beginning to look like a little bit of a consolidation right here. Almost a flag pattern that could be developed if we were to draw out a little flag box here or something like that. Nice move up and a little bit of sideways consolidating flagging type rest. I'm not going to say that that's going to maintain that way. I'm just saying that's kind of what shows there. So any rest in here that maintains this price support is extremely important. In fact, I would say anything that maintains support even all the way down into here, maintains that support, would show incredible strength in the SPY. Okay, that the bears just don't have the teeth to move this market lower. So let's keep an eye on that. And right now, SPY is showing tremendous strength. IWM, on the other hand, that got stuck in this range, and it continues to stay stuck in this range and can't seem to get out of here. We've attempted so many times to break through there. Can't seem to get it done. Now, so far, we're doing okay here. We haven't been able to break out, but we're also not breaking down. So perhaps this is building some energy. You know, it could be bouncing around, building energy in here to attack this level again. I couldn't tell you, but right now there's a little bit of worry and concern about IWM because we just can't seem to break out of there. And we really need the IWM to participate if we're going to continue to push this market higher. Let's look at the Qs. Now, the Q showed remarkable strength yesterday, I think, and this is one of the things that can happen during earnings. You know, if we go back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, we're in our 8th, and you could even count this one, our 9th day in this rally, which is abnormal. Okay, normally we get some kind of a pullback even in a 6 to 7 day straight up rally like this. Some kind of pullback would be warranted. Right now, the Qs don't seem to want to slow down, and you can see the Qs are actually gapping higher this morning, gapping up here toward this resistance level. So not only have we smashed through, you know, this level right here, we've smashed through here, and now we're running up here very, very close to see if we can test these highs here in the Qs. At any point in here, watch for the potential that the Qs just cannot sustain, won't be able to sustain this level of buying. Watch up in any of these levels for any the potential of a reversal or a sideways move, which would be a sideways move would be extremely strong and a great position for entering. But just be careful. We don't want to chase. We don't want to chase. So wait for the pullback if you can. Wait for a pullback and a buy signal, wherever that might be. Let's see. I think that's about all. If we take a quick look at the VIX, and I've kind of been watching this here lately, the VIX here, once again, we can stay down here for a period of time. Don't have any illusions that we can't stay down here and be here for a while. Because we can, but I am always concerned down in here because of these quick spikes that can occur when that complacency seems to be so strong in the market. So be really careful, and always have a plan to exit before you enter a trade. Okay, have a plan, be prepared, because at any time this market could shift, and we always want to be prepared and we just want to act professional in our trading, just like any other business would do. They plan, they prepare, they have contingency plans, just in case things don't go their way. And with that, hey everyone, I put out these videos every single day. If this is the first time you've seen this, please do me a favor, do yourself a favor, and click that subscribe button on YouTube, so that you can be notified when I put these out. Every morning I put them out. And if you're watching this on Facebook, click that follow button so that you can be notified when I put this information out. With that, I want to wish everyone a great day, a very profitable day. Right Way Options members, class time will be normal time today. We do 2 hours of class every single day on the market, covering different trades. And we will be on time today for normal class. Everyone take care, and I will talk to you all soon. Have a good one.